If you are a combat athlete, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook the easiest, tastiest meal in under 10 minutes, and it's all going to cost you no more than £3. Let's get stuck into it. So we start by getting our steak, and I've already taken this out, brought it down to room temperature, which is very, very important. And then we're going to just dry it and pat it dry to make sure we can get a nice crisp on it. Now, if you're watching the calories and you really need to watch how much you're consuming, then this is obviously a good choice. However, I do not. So I'm gonna just go a little drizzle of olive oil, both sides. Heavily season this with salt and pepper. At this time, I'm just preheating the air fryer, or if you don't have an air fryer, just preheating the pan. And we wanna get that as hot as we can. We're just gonna put the pepper on like that. I like quite a lot. Just massage that into the board, and that's good to go. Once you've got your air fryer nice and hot, we're just going to chuck that in the pan. I'm going to put that on for about 6 to 7 minutes. We can let that do its thing. So now we're just going to quickly prepare the vegetables. Usually I'd mince these, but today I'm just going to roughly chop them, just so there's a little bit more texture in the dish. Obviously you can adjust these to how much you want. If you don't want a lot, if you do want a lot, it's completely up to you. Okay, so we just very roughly chopped some onion and some garlic, and we're going to chuck that in a pan with a little bit of oil. So we're going to put our pan on medium to high heat. I'm going to take some toasted sesame oil. Again, you can use the spray if you want to go lower on calories. I'm just using this for a bit more flavour. And then all that we're going to do from there, all that we're doing is just softening them up, getting them a little bit of colour. And then we're going to take 1 egg. We're just going to chuck that in there, give a little scramble. Better to use a better non-stick pan than this one. Pretty rubbish, but anyway, doesn't matter too much. You can add whatever vegetables you want at this stage. I'm just going to add some peas. I'm going to add some long rice, microwave rice. You can get this for about 80p, 60p. You can obviously just get a big bag as well, which is going to be even cheaper. Mix that in there. And then from here you can add whatever you like really. I'm going to add a few chili flakes, and I'm also going to add some soy sauce as well. Bit of flavour, bit of colour. I'm just going to continue to give that a mix until it just gets a little bit hot. It doesn't really need then any more than sort of about 1.5 to 2 minutes. For the rice, we're just getting the rice nice and hot. But once that's done, this is good to go. Now all we're going to do, really simple, just take a bowl, let's serve the rice. So you've got that really nice fried rice there, a little bit of colour, that's just from the soy sauce. So we're going to get our steak now. Just going to slice up our steak. If you haven't before, you have to start air frying your steaks. They get it so nice and hot, and it's just so much easier than keeping an eye on it in the pan. I like mine medium rare, so that's about perfect for me. Take that, like that, and just layer it over the top. And now have a look at that. So that is my super simple egg fried rice with a rump steak. No more than just over £3. You can obviously follow what I've done, or chuck whatever you have in the fridge, in the cupboard, vegetables, spices, whatever you like into it. Make it your own. You can use the 1 calorie spray to make it a little bit healthier, but you've got good proteins, good carbs, and good fats. Everything you need to give you fuel for a good workout. Keep it casual.